So today we are touring this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in SANGOTEDO in a call to access estate, a serene estate and a very, very secured estate. Now, one thing I love about this property is I've seen a lot of houses that they will paint white, and you know the viewers, they will tell you once they paint it white, the house is looking clean. But that's not the case for this house. Like, the finishing of this house is top notch, I can tell you for a fact. Not because of it being painted white. I've inspected a lot of houses around this vicinity. Even though it's been painted white, it's not as clean and as well finished as this. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in SANGOTEDO, and this house is valued for 200 million naira. It's a 3 unit actually. We have this front unit and we have the 2 back unit. Now, the 2 back unit is selling for 180 million naira, while this front unit is selling for 200 million naira. And the total house is sitting on 630 square meters. So you have enough ample parking space for your convenience. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a moment to like, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you will get notification anytime I'm posting a video. You'll be among the very first people to view my video. So you know how we normally do it. Going to flip the cameras, then show you everything you need to know about this beautiful property. Now, with just few months to December, I know that a lot of you are looking to buy a home before the December period, before the Christmas period. So this house should be a top priority for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the business of the day. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are touring this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in SANGOTEDO. In fact, this is a call to access estate, a secured estate. Actually, it's a 3 units. We have this front unit selling for 200 million naira, and we have this back unit and the next back unit. Actually, the 2 back units. We have one right here and we have the other one over there. Let me just quickly give you a glimpse of it. Okay, this is the second back unit. So each of the back units is going for 180 million naira respectively. So while this front unit is going for 200 million naira, and it comes with a global C of O, and it also has a building approval. Okay, so stepping inside, you have this car park area. You can comfortably park 2 cars. Yeah, you can park 1 car right here and park the other one right there. You can take 3 cars, but for not to overcrowd it, you can park 2 cars. Yeah. So this is ample parking space. So it also comes with a big queue. So so you can see, yeah, this can take 3 cars. This can take 3 cars. Yeah, 2 SUV and a smaller car can fit in right here. Okay, so let me go around the compound space before entering into the building proper. So I could show you the compound space, show you the big queue area, show you the big queue, and before heading inside the building properly. Okay, so I really want you to see it from this angle. So one thing I love about this building is the finishing. The finishing is quite clean, very, very nice finishing. Attention to detail, stop now. So you have this tap right here. If you want to wash your car, it's very easy for you to do so in your compound space. Okay, so let's go around. The walls are beautified with this lights, this beautiful lights. Actually, it's a dual fence. So this place gives you access to the back unit. So this is a driveway to the back unit. But today we are not touring the back unit. We are touring this front unit. So let's go around. Okay. So as you can see, the floor is stamped. It's quite clean. Okay. So these are the back units. So let me just quickly show you. So both are going for 180 million naira respectively. Okay, so let's continue our tour. So right here you have your boys quarter. You have properties, right? It's coming with a bathroom, so that door leads you to the bathroom. Okay, so you can use it to house your domestic staff, your driver, or your security guy. Okay, so this door leads you into the kitchen. I just needed to show you, but no worry, once we enter inside through the main entrance, I'll take you to the kitchen and you see the kitchen from that place. Okay, so you have this scaffolding right here that houses your tank. No, this tank supplies water to this building. Okay. So have another quick look at this beautiful house. Lovely designs. Okay, so let's step inside. Stepping inside, you have this mini staircase that ushers you into the living area. It comes with this pivot security door. There is a biometric handle. So it's a smart door. Okay. So this is your living area. So this is your living area. Comes with these beautiful lights. So look at it from this angle. Okay. So over there you have your guest toilets. These are guest toilets. Okay. So so that's the stairway. So let's head to the kitchen so you can see the kitchen for yourself. So it's a fully fitted kitchen. You know, it's quite spacious. Comes with a microwave, an oven, a gas burner, a heat extractor, kitchen island. You know. So every room comes with an inbuilt speaker, you know, for your relaxation. So this is where you have your volume for your inbuilt speaker. So once you're playing the music, you can control it right here. Okay. So it has enough cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets. Has this kitchen island right here. Okay, so you have your double volume sink, double sink. This beautiful faucet. You can twist it and adjust it to any direction you want it to go. Heat extractor, gas burner, lots of cabinets with beautiful lighting. So you have this beautiful central light, or that is shining, illuminating the kitchen island area. Okay, so this door leads you outside the compound. So you have another door that leads you outside the compound via the kitchen. That door takes you outside the compound. Okay, so let me show you the guest room. You have the guest room by this side. So this is your guest room. You have your window here. So check out the size of this guest room. It's quite sizable. All rooms are en suite. Okay, so this is your bathroom, the guest bathroom. This is your shower area, the WC, the water heater. So all bathroom comes with water heater. Okay, so let's head upstairs so we can see the remaining. It's a 4-bedroom. We have 1 room downstairs and 3 rooms upstairs. So let's check out the other rooms. So the stairways is motion sensor light. So once we approach, it lights up. Okay. So on this floor, you have your family lounge. This is your family lounge area. This is a family lounge area. By this side, you have 2 rooms. On this side, you have facing each other. Let's check out this room. Okay, so this should be your kids' room. This is the kids' bedroom. As usual, all rooms are en suite. Okay, the bathroom, the shower area, so let's check out room 2. That's Madam's room. So this is room 2. You can see the finishing of this building is creating very clean, attention to detail top notch, looking very, very clean. Okay, so the bathroom, okay, so let's head over to the master's bed. So this side you have your master's bedroom. So your master's bed is quite spacious. So this is your master's bed. See how spacious it is. So you have your windows by this side and also by this side. So you have enough windows for ventilation and natural light. So this window, this is a floor to ceiling window. It goes down all the way down. Okay, so right here you have your wardrobe, your closet. So this area is for your closet. So this door leads you to the balcony. So you can see the neighborhood. The road is paved. Lovely neighborhood. Okay, so let me show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So you have your suspended WC over here. You have your shower area, water heater. On this side you have your bathtub. Okay, so coming to the end of this video. This house is valued for 200 million naira. Comes with a global CFO, building approval. It's available. So call the number that is showing on your screen if you're in the market looking for a beautiful home, where you can grow your family and raise your kids, or you're looking for a home you can use for rental income. Let's say long-term rental income, like the normal yearly rent, or short let Airbnb. That's the daily rental income, daily rental investment. So you can book an inspection with us. Call the number on your screen. Then you can schedule an appointment with you. Then inspect the house. Bring you here for inspection. So till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.